Of all the places in the world I imagined myself teaching Bodhypnosis, this innovative healing technique I created, Bali sounded like the ultimate one. So it is with an immense joy today that I invite you to join me at Oneworld Retreats in Ubud, Bali, for an awesome 6-day program of 20-hour training of this beautiful therapeutic tool, a body hypnosis technique which induces a deep meditative state through physical sensations in a few seconds. The state of unity, where the infinite intelligence of the body, with its perfect self-healing mechanisms, takes over, unhindered by negative thoughts or emotions. You would be among the first ones in the world to acquire this simple yet powerful method to provide your loved ones with sensations they've never had before. During that week in this heavenly environment, you will also get to enjoy delightful excursions, spa treatments, and Balinese rituals. All this sweetened by the legendary kindness of the Balinese people.